And again, happy 60th. If I'm going to describe Father in one word, I would say that he's an entertaining person. He always finds a way to entertain people, like his friends and companions. Most and unforgettable moments with Father Linus would be the times when we watch movies, especially blockbuster movies. This is a time where we get to socialize during the movie, and before that, we would go and eat out. These were the times that I knew Father, that he may have better health and more years to come.
Happy 35th sacerdotal anniversary and 60th birthday. I hope you have many more years to come. 60 plus 35 is 95. Nakasuma ko. There is one word I could describe Father Lino is that he is a happy priest, a very happy priest. No? And that has been my experience of him since I was a seminarian, when he was my professor in homiletics. He'd always come to class, plenty of jokes, and the class would really be a very happy and joyful class. And also here in the seminary, when it comes for to teach, he would always bring joy whenever we share our meals at breakfast time. And he always perks up our morning. It becomes a happy and joyful morning. And so, Father Lino, my wish for you is that you will remain as happy as ever, that you'll continue to share the joy of your priesthood, the joy of your life, the joy of your vocation to everybody, especially to us SVDs and to our seminarians. So, Father Lino, happy day!
Happy birthday and happy anniversary, Father Linus. One thing I'm grateful about being a priest is that we have Father Linus as a priest ahead of us. And this makes things easier for us because we have a hallmark who paved the way for us to follow. Thank you, Father Linus, for being ahead of us. Without you showing us the way, it would be a totally different story. Your 35th anniversary and your 60th birthday is indeed a milestone, not only as a person but as members of society. Give our package in small boxes, they say. Father Linus, the best was brought out from you, not because you are packaged in small bags, but certainly because of the big heart and big mind that you exude to people, especially those who are coming your way. Every moment with Father Linus is always fun, and it's always something that elicits something that is fun. But one morning afternoon when I was in St. Jude, we found ourselves in our rooms with Father Linus, Father Jerome, and me in our different rooms. And then finally we went outside and realizing that we are in a boring afternoon and adventured in going to a movie house. Three of us, naalala ko pa yun, nanood kami ng yung kay Judy Ann Santos, yung Kasalo. And when we entered into the Araneta Theater, dahil ang dami-daming tao, hiwa-hiwalay kami into 3 different seats kasi nga ang dami-dami ng tao. While watching the movie, we found ourselves nagkakarinigan kami ng tawa kahit ang layo-layo namin. To be with Father Linus, of course with Father Jerome, is always fun. Thank you, and please stay joyful, Father Linus. I think this is not a wish for Father Linus, but I want Father Linus that you continue giving life to others. I think if there is one ministry that can be appropriated to Father Linus, he is a priest who always gives life to people, especially to communities, and even in our society. Father Linus, you have done a very great job for the past 35 years and 60 years of your life. Continue giving life to others. That is a great mission. he always gave you a second.
Father Lino, happy birthday. I did not know that you are already 60 years old. I just thought that you are 40 years old, 20 years ago. No, I'm really happy that you have reached the 60th birthday of your life. Of course, it's a grace, it's a big blessing from the Lord. And I know that you have a lot of... And I would like also to greet you a happy 35th sacerdotal anniversary. Well, that's all the more a great blessing from the Lord, the one who called you to become a priest and a religious missionary. They're asking me to describe you in just one terrible. That means terribly great speaker. Fondest memory. Way back in novitiate, when I was a novice and you were my assistant novice master. I mean, you were the assistant novice master to us. And when you asked me to apply sabila on your hair, it was a lot of fun for you, even if it was tiring for me. But of course I enjoyed it because I knew that that was necessary to preserve your sanity. Father Lino, my wish for you on your 35th sacerdotal anniversary is that you will inspire more people, bring more people closer to God because of your greatness in delivering sermons, and of course a life of witnessing. And my birthday wish for you is of course that you will still grow just like me in height against all odds. No, seriously, that you may have good health, peace of mind, contentment in life. Happy birthday.
I would like to greet Father Linus on the occasion of his anniversary. I came to know Father Linus when I was a novice in 1985. It was a long time ago. He is celebrating his 35 years in the priesthood. And that is a big inspiration for all of us his younger brothers in the ministry. And so we would like to greet him here in the library, where his name will be forever remembered because of this Nicasio Preachers Collection. And if there is a word, one word that I could describe Father Linus, in our books, because as you will see inside this preachers collection, where all the books about preaching will be placed, and the books are all coming from him, donated by him, to be shared to other seminarians and future priests and preachers. That is how a kind of proof that indeed Father Linus loves books. Fondest memory of Father Linus. I have so many fond memories of Father Linus, and maybe fondest, if I may call them. Those are the times that I've heard him preach. He is really a good preacher, and his preachings, homilies, I have